Welcome all of you. This question from trigonometry. Question is evaluate 1 by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 by 1 plus cos theta when sin theta plus cos theta 1. Here when condition is equation, that means then that sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 and expression we find out is 1 by 1 plus sin theta 1 plus cos theta. From this then you can find the value of theta or sin theta and cos theta. After that whenever we will put the value of theta or sin theta and cos theta, value of this expression will be found out. So try to solve this equation. Then containing sin and cos. So for solving, we have to convert sine in terms of cos or cos in terms of sine. That writing this sine theta that is equal to 1 minus cos theta. Convert this into square because formula sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 and easily 1 can be converted into other. Squaring both sides. This last equation can be reduced sine square theta. Now expand right hand side or here involving sine there is only one term sine square but involving cos terms minus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta. So we have to convert or better to convert sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So writing sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square 1 minus cos theta plus cos square theta on 1 then we cancel it out from both sides. Transposing all the terms of right hand side to the left cos square theta towards left will be minus cos square theta minus cos square plus cos theta equal to 0. Now simplify this minus cos square theta plus cos theta equal to 0. Or take out common minus cos theta. What will be remaining? Cos theta from first term minus 1 because minus and minus will be plus, here is plus, that is equal to 0. Left hand side containing three factors. One is minus 2 not is equal to 0. Now writing here as minus 2 is a numerical value. After that either cos theta equal to 0 or cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. From this equation cos theta is equal to 0. So cos theta equal to 0 means cos of 90 degree cos 90 degree or theta is equal to 90 degree. One of the value of theta is 90 degree. Cos theta writing here or equal to 1 or cos theta is equal to cos of as cos 0 to 1 theta equal to t. Therefore, values of theta are 0 degree and 90 degree. Now we will find value of the given expression. The given expression is 1 by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 by 1 plus theta. So right now 1 by 1 plus sin theta plus by plus theta. If theta is equal to 1 by 1 plus sin 0 degree plus 1 by plus also that is equal by sin 0 1 plus 1 1 by 1 1 1 by 1 plus 1 1 by 2 after simplification these be by theta is equal to 90 degree 1 by plus 1 by plus 1 sin 90 1 plus 1 by 1 plus cos 0 plus 1 of theta plus 1